Hello guys, how you doing? Beautiful day down here in Hialeah, Florida. Alright, let's see what we got going on here today. Alright, we got an echo. Remember guys, I'm doing this video for my eBay store. I'm not trying to teach you anything. I'm trying to fix anything. This is for my customers that want more. Picture is not enough for them. And they like sound. Alright, also I'm going to do the video in Spanish and then voy a hacer el video en español al final. Alright guys, so far we have here cs-271T. Remember guys, I sell for parts. This is a broken machine. This is a damaged machine. They're not good. No good. Alright, I'm going to do like I always do. I'm going to show you the best I can. I'm going to give it a test. Alright, let's begin with you see here on the side, we can get something here, right here. You hear that sound? It's because the clutch doesn't have the springs. Alright, let me see, here we can pick something. Alright, you got it there. And here you got all the parts inside the handle. Okay, I'm going to put everything back. In case you're new in my store, I always take everything apart. Like that you can see the best. Alright, let's give it a shot to see where we are. Alright. First I'm going to do it with our spark plug. You can see how the spark plug, let's give him a little. It looks better now. Let's put the handle guys. Good, we got it. Let me see if I can get you a little close here to see where we are. Alright, let's see. I got the handle. Okay, I found the handle. I don't think I'm moving too much, huh? I know it's a mess. Well, at least you have an idea. Alright, let's give it a shot. We're going to put the spark plug to see where we are. Remember guys, I sell for parts, not to repair. If you're thinking about repairing this machine, you're making a big mistake. Why? Because they're broken machines, they're damaged machines. They're not good, no good. Alright. It looks like it has a little gasoline. We're gonna get it here, but I was gonna throw the magic liquid. You know me. If I don't throw this, I don't feel good. It's like I do not realize myself, you know. Alright, let's hit it. See where we are. Woo! Alright. Easy little one. Easy. You're gonna find at home. If you keep going with an attitude, you will be fine anywhere. People will love you. Alright guys, you got it here. A little baby, she's looking for alteration. Remember, for parts, there's a lot of parts here you can salvage guys. So oh look, a little bit of oil went out. That means it's good. We got good news here. Alright, I'm gonna throw better pictures. I'm gonna put it back together. Any questions? And here, if you like what I'm doing, press a like. or subscribe to my channel. If you think I should do something better, you let me know. I'm here for you guys. I'm trying to be the stress that I can, you know. Be honest, like that you guys can be honest too with me when you get the machine. You appreciate what we're doing here. Thank you guys. Hola mi gente, ¿qué me dice la raza? Que se una la raza. Bueno, aquí tenemos una cs-271T. Ya vieron ya ahí que la niña está buscando casa, ansiosa. Ya vieron que por lo menos lo que es el handle le funciona, lo que es el collo funciona y lo que es la mariposa funciona, ok. De ahí para allá, aquí le faltan el spring, le falta el spring aquí, el muellecito, ya vieron, y tiene el de eso del freno. Aquí ven todas las piececitas. Ahora que me estaba acordando, en esta, sí, porque no me acuerdo si la otra tenía. Sí, esto viene incluido, sí. Y aquí tienen el carburador. Se ve bastante bien cuidadita esta máquina. Bueno mi gente, la voy a armar toda para atrás. Si tienen alguna pregunta, ustedes saben. Ya vieron cómo funciona. Voy a tirar fotos ahí más o menos. Ya vieron la idea. Yo tiré fotos acá adentro también para que vean. Ahí ustedes saben, tienen fotico en todos los lados y aprecien un poquito más. Bueno, que se una la raza.